Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite. And the first one is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power, and at the bottom of the charging case we have USB-C port. So connect USB-C cable right at this port. Right here in the front side we have this LED light, so it's mean that your earbuds are charging. Excellent. Now the second option is to use your phone, and all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or micro USB to USB-C. Connect USB-C cable to your phone, and the second one to USB-C port at the bottom of your charging case. And again, this LED light, so it also works. The last option is to use USB-C to USB-A cable, and you can charge your phone from, let's say, your PC. So it looks like this. Now connect USB-A cable to USB-A port on your device. And USB-C cable to USB-C port. And as you can see, it also works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!